Hallo daar en welkom bij een nieuwe video van Sociataal. In this video we are going to learn how to use the subject pronoun in Dutch. So what is a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is the pronoun used for the subject in a sentence. This is usually the person or the thing that acts in a sentence. So for example, I can say ik ben Koen, jij leert Nederlands of wij drinken water. Our subject pronouns in Dutch are ik, jij or je, u, hij, zij or ze, het, wij or we, jullie, en zij or ze for the third person plural. Now there might be a couple things that are different than in English. First of all, we have two forms for the second person singular. We can either say jij or we can say je. Jij is the stressed pronoun and je is the unstressed pronoun. We use the stressed pronoun when we want to stress or emphasize a pronoun in a sentence. But pay attention because je and jij, as you can hear, are pronounced differently, and the difference in pronunciation matters. So when is a pronoun stressed? Here is an example. I can say je kan morgen uitslapen. You can sleep in tomorrow. Or I can say jij kan morgen uitslapen, maar ik niet. You can sleep in tomorrow, but I can't. In English you also stress the pronoun, but there they don't use a different pronoun for it. Another typical example of when we use the stress pronoun is when we change persons. So for example, I say hoi, hoe heet je? And then you say hoi, ik heet Anna. And then I ask to the person next to you, en jij, hoe heet jij? So as you can hear, I use the stress pronoun. And then he answers, hoi, ik heet Jip. I use the stress pronoun here because I change persons. Hoe heet je? Hoe heet jij? So this works the exact same way for zij, ze, we, wij, and zij, ze in plural. They all work the same, so if you understand how to use jij and je, you also know how the others work. Now as you can see, we also have two forms of the singular you. We have jij and u. U is formal and jij is informal. We use u to talk to elderly people or adults we don't know. We can also use this to talk to our boss or supervisor at work, although this is not super common because we don't have a very strict hierarchical society in the Netherlands. But maybe in some corporate companies they still do. Then last but not least, we also have ge and gij. And this is something you actually don't see in this table, and that's because we don't use it in the Netherlands. This is only used in Flanders, or as we would say in Dutch, Vlaanderen. This is the Dutch-speaking part of Belgium. They use ge and gij instead of je and jij. But as I said, in the Netherlands we don't, so don't do it. Okay, great. Time to practice. Here are 3 sentences and I want you to fill in the blanks. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more Dutch exercises. Keep practicing en tot de volgende keer.